Assalamu alaikum. Ahmed here. Welcome to the 16th video lecture of class 2 maths. If you open your books to page number 10, this page is our today's assignment. Now this bar here shows 110 and these little bricks show ones. So here we are provided with two bars, so there are two tens and one brick for 1 1. So two tens and one makes 1 unit makes 21, and for this one we are provided here with one bar, so 110, and for the bricks 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Now 16, there are 16 bricks. Now 16 has 110 and 6 units. So 110, if added to this bar here, it makes 2 tens and 6 ones. So for this one, 2 bars, actually yes, this one is converted here, and 2 tens, now 2 tens and 6 bars here actually makes 26. Yes, 110 and 16 ones. Now from 16 ones we made one bar here, and for this one, 2 tens and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 14 and 2 tens and 14 gives us 110, another 10, 110 and 4 units. So 110 is converted into this bar here, so it makes total 3 tens and 4 ones. So the collective answer will be 34. For this one here, it says 4 tens and 3 6 12 ones, so 5 tens and 2 ones makes 52. Which is the biggest group? Group D, or 52, or which is the smallest group? I believe it's the group 21. So that was today's lecture. Until next video lecture, Allah Hafiz.